Basha today. I'm on the beach at Emerald Isle, North Carolina. We are under hurricane watch, and tonight supposed to go into hurricane warning. It looks like a typical day at the beach. A lot of people out. 4th of July is in 2 days. The water looks very rough. Rip currents is what we've been hearing, so people really need to stay out of the water because it could be dangerous. Everyone seems to be enjoying the day. It's breezy and definitely warm. Walking on the beach here at Emerald Isle as we await the arrival of Tropical Storm Arthur. We're told that it may be a Category 1. As far as the warnings are concerned, it's supposed to go into hurricane warning later tonight. We were told that to expect rain as early as tomorrow morning, and the storm going through this area late tomorrow night. The water is very rough, rip currents, white caps way out, very windy. Wind is blowing from the south. This is a south-facing beach, so if the storm comes up this way, it certainly will push this water up. This little guy is going to have to find himself a place to hide. Based by